What's up, my YouTube family? Hi, guys. How's everybody doing? I hope fine. I'm doing great, guys. Guys, I have some cow's foot. Y'all see the steam? It's still hot. It's still hot. I got some water. I don't have my frosty mug. Guys, the truth about my frosty mug is I have no room in my freezer or my deep freezer. I have no room in my freezer for my frosty mug. I'm gonna have to do something. My next video, I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna have to throw something away. I'm gonna have to dig in the back and do something, rotate something. Oh, this is cold. Ain't good. Whew. Guys, let me know in the comments if you ever had cow foot. Whew. Hold on. That water got me, y'all. That was cold. Yes, y'all. Let me know if you have ever had cow foot. Y'all see that? It's nice and tender. You gotta cook these things for hours. It's like you would do the gym, just like how you do pig feet. I got some hard sauce. I'm about to use it. I'm sorry, guys. I like all that stuff around the bone. I love it. We got a little bit of bone marrow in there. I'm going for it. Oh, look, it's really little. It's really little. That bone marrow was so good, y'all. It was so good. That was good. I don't know. I got more. See, that bone marrow is somewhere in the pot. It's somewhere in the pot. Guys, I have... It's a whole bunch of these things cooked. I don't know why I did that. I mean, a whole bunch like it was for a party. Mm. Y'all better get y'all some. Mm. The bone got all this juice inside of it too. You see all the little like holes. Now, there's some bone marrow in here. I'm not gonna get it, but I could definitely. Hello? Hold on. All right, I'm back. Sorry, y'all. Maintenance was knocking at the door. Checking on the panel. They changed some panels like a month ago. Oh, I know I was mad. I need a do not disturb sign to put on my door. Oh, so, like I was saying, I'm sucking all the bone marrow juice. I could taste it. I could taste it all. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I don't like that part because I feel like that here. Mm. They knocking on everybody's door. This is a celery that was cooking in my I put some carrots, celery. It was something else. It was a soup mixture thing that I got from Stop and Shop. I don't know what it had. Onion. It had a few things in it, y'all. I'm sorry. Homegirl downstairs going off. Did y'all hear that? She don't play. I don't care who you are. I mean, they should be letting people know that they coming by and in their houses. I could have been doing Lord knows what. There's one pop up. My tongue kind of feeling this hard side. Guys, inside his bones, these little holes, it looks so good. That was good. I need a little nap now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video this as much as I did. If nobody told you today that they love you, let me be the first to tell you I love you. I love you, you. I love each and every one of you guys. I even love you in the back. You heard? I love you. Guys, be safe. Streets don't love you.